Remember how I mentioned that I'm doing 5 different manis with one stamping plate? Well, today we have another one for you. This is the most simple mani you can think of. It is a holly mani. During my 5K giveaway, so many people asked for simple nail art, so I really hope that this hits the spot for you. The color that I'm going to be using today is Lady Sparkles by Soul Dip. I got it very recently, and honestly, I was going to go with like a red and green combo and everything, but I scratched all that and I went for simple. Just one dip powder as the base. This is such a simple, classy, and elegant color. I absolutely love it, and it's so easy to work with. So what I'm going to do is dip all 5 fingers in this color. Only one dip. Only one dip got me completely, nearly full coverage. It is such an easy to work with color, and I'm really amazed by the amount of coverage that it gave me in just one dip. So like I said earlier in my 5K giveaway video, I asked everybody what type of videos they'd like to see in 2021. And one of the most requested ones was simple nail art. So if you're one of the people who are totally on board with simple nail art, if you would like to give me like more elaborate explanation of what you mean by simple nail art, if for example this simple stamp is not what you meant, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinion on what you consider simple nail art. I just finished dipping every single finger in Lady Sparkles, and I'm going to protect that by dipping every single nail in clear dip. It also helps add some bulk to my nail and protect it when I'm doing my filing and buffing. I don't want to keep you here all day, so I'm going to activate, file, shape, and buff off camera, and then get into the nail art. But don't worry, I have more videos on in-depth filing, shaping, and buffing coming soon. Today, we're only doing one stamp, so I'm literally just going to put down this light green polish, stamping polish that I have in my collection, scraping, picking up with my clear jelly stamper, and putting it on my nail. My last few videos, I was doing like several different colors, layering. This one is just so straight and simple to the point. You only have to stamp one design. I actually do my thumb a little later off camera with some encouragement from my friends who are like, do your thumb. So I'm actually going to add the little red berries now too, but I'm just going to put some polish on my plate and then use a dotting tool to add those little red berries onto the holly. Alright, so I'm going to let that design dry. I need to let the polish dry before I go in and top coat and all that stuff. If you need a tutorial on top coating, I'll link one here for you guys. But I'm going to leave you guys with how it is and show you guys the finished top coated glossy mani. I am in love. I love this design. I love how simple it is. So here it is outside the next day in daylight and sunlight. So you can see how the light hits Lady Sparkles with just one dip. Isn't this amazing? I love this color, and I should definitely buy more simple dip powders like this.